Have you ever wanted to lose yourself in a place where you can touch the sky and all the noise of the world suddenly falls silent? A land where mountains are not just stone, but living souls, where clouds speak to humans. If the world were a book, Nepal would be its most mysterious and beautiful page. Today, let's journey into the heartbeat of the Himalayas, where one can rediscover their lost soul. The Himalayas are not just a collection of mountains, they are the heartbeat of the earth. When the Himalayas stand tall on Nepal's northern border with their snow-capped peaks piercing the sky, they don't just evoke wonder, they remind us of our own fragility. Mount Everest, standing at 29,032 feet, is the ultimate dream destination for every soul on Earth. When the first light of dawn strikes the summit, it looks as though the mountain is bathed in gold. These vast snow-covered ranges of the Himalayas are the silent guardians of the planet. Here, the wind speaks, the blizzards tell stories, and every piece of ice holds the history of eternity. The Kathmandu Valley is a place where you will see time come to a standstill. Narrow alleys, medieval brick and wood architecture, and the bustle of temples. From Pashupatinath to the Swayambhunath Stupa, every structure is a masterpiece of art. As you walk through Kathmandu, the sacred scent of incense and sandalwood fills the air. To the locals, these temples are not just places of worship, they are the resting places of their ancestors and the sanctuary of their souls. Modernity arrives here, but it always bows down before history. Nepal is synonymous with the thirst for adventure. Whether it's the Everest Base Camp, the Annapurna Circuit, or the Langtang Valley, every route is a challenge. Where oxygen is thin and the path is a razor-thin strip between stone and ice, walking feels like a game of hide and seek with death. Why do people go there? Because the mountains call them. The mountains say, "See how much your limitations weigh." Each step, each breath, teaches us how to move forward amidst adversity. Far from the concrete jungles of the city, the villages scattered across the mountain slopes look like stanzas of a poem. Small wooden houses, terraced green fields cascading down like staircases, and mountains playing hide and seek with the clouds. The life of the people here is so simple. Happiness for them isn't something grand, it's just a steaming cup of tea, laughter with family, and living in harmony with nature. At night, when billions of stars ignite in the mountain sky, it feels as if we are so close to the universe. Nepal is a unique pilgrimage of spirituality. Inside the Buddhist monasteries built in the solitude of the mountains, when the gentle sound of bells and the chanting of monks echo, all the world's clamor fades. This country teaches us how to keep the inner self calm amidst everything. It is said that even today, ancient monks meditate in these mountains, liberated from the illusions of this world. This peace is Nepal's true wealth. Hidden behind Nepal's beauty is the fearsome, raw power of nature. When the devastating earthquake of 2015 shook the earth and turned ancient monuments into dust, many thought Nepal would never rise again. But the people did not give up. Standing on the ruins, they started life anew. The mountains taught them that storms will come, but the resilience to stand tall after the storm is something only the Nepali people truly know. Pokhara is Nepal's dream city. When the crystal-clear water of Phewa Lake mirrors the peaks of the Annapurna Range, it becomes hard to distinguish between reality and a dream. Paragliding from the sky, you will feel like a bird in flight. The lakeside lifestyle, the cafes, and the magical pull of the mountain roads have made Pokhara a paradise for travelers. Here, all the sorrows of the world seem to fade away in an instant. Nepal is not just a geographical map, it is an emotion. Those who visit once carry a piece of the mountain's peace with them forever. In this mechanical world of technology and haste, Nepal reminds us that we are human and our true kinship lies with nature. The sanctity of the mountains, the simplicity of the people, and the infinite mystery of the Himalayas, all of this makes Nepal stay in our hearts forever. It is the land where one finds their lost soul all over again.